Ever wonder where your money magically appears after a long week of hustling online? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might seem a little less flashy than the usual content, but trust me, it's crucial for anyone who uses online platforms to make a living. We're diving into the world of payouts, specifically, what time is Wave payout? Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. You've probably heard of Wave. It's a popular platform for freelancers, content creators, and anyone who wants to receive and manage payments online. It's convenient, secure, and lets you say goodbye to the hassle of traditional money transfers. But here's the thing, when you've poured your heart and soul into your work, the last thing you want is to be left hanging about when you actually get paid. That's where understanding Wave's payout schedule comes in. So, grab a coffee, because we're about to unveil the mystery behind Wave payouts. Breaking down Wave payouts. Alright, let's get straight to the point. Unfortunately, there's no single, universal answer to what time is Wave payout. There are a few factors that influence when you see those sweet funds hit your account. Factor 1, your payment source. Here's the first twist. The timing of your Wave payout depends on where the money is coming from. There are two main ways you can receive funds on Wave. Direct deposits. This is where a client or employer sends money directly to your Wave account using your unique account information. Bank transfers. This option involves transferring money from a linked bank account to your Wave wallet. Here's the key difference in terms of payout times. Direct deposits. When someone sends money directly to your Wave account, the funds typically appear instantly in your wallet. That's right, no waiting, it's like magic. Bank transfers. For transfers from a linked bank account, the process takes a bit longer. The wait time can vary depending on your bank's processing speed, but it generally falls within 1 to 3 business days. Factor 2, weekends and holidays. Another thing to keep in mind is that financial institutions like banks tend to take breaks on weekends and holidays. So, if a direct deposit or transfer is initiated on a Friday afternoon, you might not see the funds reflected in your Wave account until the following Monday or Tuesday, depending on your bank's schedule. Making the most of Wave payouts. Now that you know the factors at play, here are some tips to manage your Wave payouts effectively. Plan ahead. Since bank transfers can take a few days, factor in that waiting time when anticipating your income. This will help you avoid any cash flow surprises. Double check your details. Always ensure you provide the correct Wave account information when requesting a direct deposit. This will prevent any delays caused by incorrect routing or account numbers. Utilize Wave's features. Wave offers features like the spend and send option, which allows you to manage your available funds even while a transfer is processing. This adds some flexibility to your financial planning. Bonus tip, stay informed. Wave is constantly evolving, so staying updated on their policies and procedures is crucial. You can find the latest information on payout times and other relevant topics directly on their website or app. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how Wave payouts work, you can ensure a smoother financial experience and avoid any unnecessary stress. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.